Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. With March Madness, we're getting down to the end. I am now past the cards that I have made this year. I have found some cards in a box that actually I'm like, wow, I don't remember not putting that together. So this particular one, again, is from the 2 years ago July quarterly, and I really liked it. I now do own the stamp set and dies because of this card, but ironically, again, I never put it together. Sometimes I just wonder what I'm doing. I just get too busy and I'm always moving forward. I don't know if you find that you put something aside in your craft room and you're like, I'm going to get back to it, but then you just go forward, 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 and you never get back to that pile of goodies that you wanted to finish, or there was something special about it. In my case, I put it aside. I wanted to order it. I do remember ordering the set, but what I don't remember is that it wasn't finished. So I finished it. I just love this card. So it doesn't have any embellishments on it. I'm looking at my options. This black looks interesting. It's kind of, I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like it's not really black. It's a very super dark olive. So we're just going to use these because we have them. Let's do another small. Oh, and see, I just like it. It is such a crisp, clean stamp set. Here are all of the pieces that you get with it, and you get some nice die cuts. I think you get this border die. You get this particular die with the dots and the holes, or the scallops and the holes. I liked it so well and wasn't sure that I was going to be ordering it, so I ended up, okay, so these two, it has two dies that coordinate with the flowers, the floral elements, the tall flower and the daisy. And then the rest of them are the scallops. I showed you a scallop a couple days ago, a big scallop. And then this small scallop is part of this set. But because it's basic shapes that I will want to use with any card that I'm making, not specific to color and contour, I have pulled it out and it is in my box with my cardstocks. And different stamp sets like deckled nesting dies, the rectangle stitched nesting dies, beautiful shapes, all of those types of dies I keep in the neutral zone so that I can pull them at any time very quickly. But another thing I did was some really simple stamping for myself. This was how I was evaluating if this particular stamp set was meant for me. So these are very simple projects that I did the two-step stamping here. Just did very simple. Here I'm getting a little bit fancier. Kind of like what I do with, if you guys watch my alternative videos, I always do some basic stamping with the stamp set that you get with Paper Pumpkin for the month. That is what I did in this case, and it was all here in the envelope with the pieces from the shoebox swap. So then the final one that I did was an all over floral. So I could, tonight, if I wanted to, come back to these, trim them down, get them colored with the colored floral element. I can use any colors I want on these two because I don't have any of the mint macaron, or no, this is soft succulent. So I don't have the soft succulent on the two, which means I will be able to do anything I want with these. So if tonight, after I get these all pictures taken, all of the, some of them don't even have bases yet, so I still have quite a bit of work to get these from day 19 to day 30. I don't have to do day 31 because my second month, Winter is Coming Wednesday, was on March 1st, because February just flew by, being a short month. So that is all I have on this one. I just think it's very sweet. This DSP is long retired. It's from 2 years old when this stamp set first came out. And I believe that the splatter is is I cannot tell, it's probably a gray, like a smoky slate or gray granite. I can't tell which. Beautiful card, simple, clean lines. Though I love my Avid cards, I also like really nice, clean looking cards, and this card really is absolutely perfect in my eyes. So let me know what you think of this card. Am I just bonkers for liking this stamp set so much? You can leave your comments here on the video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Tune in for day 28. We're so close to done, I can't believe it. And then I get to finish all of these cards and get them packaged up to sell. Crazy. And as always, thanks for watching.